not into girls was when I watched Star Wars, the original Star Wars in the theater. Yeah. Tapos yung nagkaroon dun ng scene na, actually, sorry, not Star Wars, but yung Emperor Strikes Back. Dahil may part na si Leia, tinortured just so that she would say kung sino yung plans for the Death Star. Tapos, wala na. Pero nung ginawa nila yung kay Han Solo, ay, kawawa naman. So, that's when I realized. But, when yung about pairs naman, sa akin, it was around, 2006, 2007. Wala pa, hindi pa laganap yung Facebook mo. So actually, ang nahanap ko, I had my first massage na mayroong ES. Na hindi ko in-expect na magkaroon ng ES. And then, I searched online to find out kung there were people who had the same experience. And, through the rabbit hole and everything, doon ko nahanap yung Bigger Manila. And it was a Bigger Manila forum. Wala pang Facebook nun, wala pang ano. So, forum pa siya. And then that's where I realized, okay, so that's, actually na-intriga na ako dun sa sa logo niya. So, this is different. So, that's when I realized, I think this is for me.
Sure thing.